how are you? Today I will show you how to make the sun stitch. It's very easy and nice. You can use it in all work of crochet. I am Dua Muhammad and this is the Eshq of Crochet channel. Here I'm using Himalaya every day and hook number 3. Start with the slip knot and make duplicate of number 10 of chains. Here I will make 30 stitches, then I will add 3 stitches by the end. It will be 33 stitches. Please don't forget like and comment and share to get all new about my channel. Here I finish my 33 stitches. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and in number 6 make 1 single crochet. Then make 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. In the third one make 1 single crochet. Two chain, 1 double crochet in the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. Two chain, 1 single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat these stitches, 5 chain, single crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, single crochet. So now I will make 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one make 1 single crochet, 2 chain, double crochet in the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. 2 chain, single crochet in the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. Five chain, 3, 4, 5. In the fourth stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet. And 2 stitch. And in the last stitch, 1, 2, 3, we will make here 1 double crochet. Here we finish row number 1. In row number 2, make 1 chain, rotate your work. I will work in this big space of the 5 chain. I will make 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Insert the hook again in this space and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Third double crochet, 1 chain. Fourth, 1 chain. Fifth double crochet, 1 chain. Number 6 chain and number 7 of double crochet. So here we make 7 double crochet and 1 chain between each double crochet. Now in this double crochet I will insert the hook here and make 1 single crochet. Then insert the hook in this big space and make 7 double crochet, between them 1 chain. 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 3, 1 chain, 4, 1 chain, 5, 1 chain, 6, 1 chain and 7, 1. And again in this double crochet I will insert the hook and make 1 single crochet, and here I will make again 7 double crochet, between them 1 chain. I will make it quickly and then I will show you what we will do. Now I finish my row. Here the last stitch will be single crochet, but skip 1 2 chain, and in the third one insert the hook and make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 chain and cut this yarn. Okay, now we're gonna use another yarn. We will start in this part, not in the end of my row. I will start from the beginning of the row. Here in the single crochet I will insert the hook and make 1 chain, and I will make my yarn like this to clean it in my work, and make 1 chain, turn your yarn like this, 1 chain, and turn the yarn like this, and last 1 chain. Then I will cut this yarn. Now in this row I will work between the stitches here in these gaps. Okay, so in the first gap here I will make 1 double crochet, and in the next one I will make also 1 double crochet, and in the third one I will make 1 double crochet. So now we make 3 double crochet. Make 2 chain. In this gap I will make single crochet, then 2 chain, here and here and here 1 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Repeat again. Here in this van insert the hook in this first stitch in between and make 1 double crochet, and in the another space 2 double crochet, and in the another one 3 double crochet, then 2 chain, single crochet, 2 chain, then here 3 double crochet in each gap, 2 and 3. I will repeat here in this stitch and this 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet, 2 chain, and here and here and here 1 double crochet. Here I finish row number 3. Row number 4 I will start with 5 chain, 3 4 5, turn my work. In this double crochet 1 2, the third one I will insert the hook here and make 1 single crochet, then 2 chain. In this single crochet I will make 1 double crochet, 2 chain. In this first double crochet I will make here single crochet, then 5 chain, 3 4 5, single crochet in this last double crochet. So 1 2 3 4, the 5th one I will make here single crochet. This row look like row number 1. I will continue 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, single crochet in the first double crochet, 5 chain, 3 4 5, and skip 1 2 3 4. In the fifth one make single crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, single crochet, and in this last I will make 3 chain, and here in this stitch of the chain, the last one here, I will make 1 double crochet. It will be look like this. Okay, now I will make 3 chain and turn my work. In this first gap I will make half of this van, so I will make 3 double crochet, between them 1 chain. This is the first one and 1 chain, second double crochet, 1 chain, and third double crochet without 1 chain after it. Here I will make 1 single crochet. This row I will repeat row number 2 here, so in these spaces I will make 7 double crochet, in between them 1 chain. So I will make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, the third one 1 chain, fourth one 1 chain, number 5 1 chain, 6 1 chain, and the 7th one. And after we making this 7 double crochet, I will insert the hook in this double crochet in this stitch and make 1 single crochet. Then in this space I will make 7 double crochet, between them 1 chain. I will make it quickly and make here single crochet, then I will show you what we will do. Here I finish my fan stitch and I make 1 single crochet here. In this stitch I will make half van stitch, so I will insert the hook here and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochet. And in chain number 3, 1 2 3, here I will make 1 double crochet, then 1 chain, and cut your yarn. See how the sun is beautiful. Now I will insert the hook in the third chain, 1 2 3 here, and I will make 1 chain and turn the yarn like this. Again, one chain, again, and the last chain, and I will cut this yarn. This row is repeat for this row here, but the difference that we are working here in the half fan. So here I will make in these spaces 3 double crochet. In this first space I will make 1 double crochet, and in the second one I will make 1 double crochet, and in this third one I will make 1 double crochet. Then again I will here make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So let's start. In these spaces 1 double crochet, in the next space 1 double crochet, and this is the third double crochet, 2 chain, here single crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Repeat to the end of the row. I will continue making these stitches here, and I will show you what we will make here. Now, after I finish these stitches, here I will insert the hook and make 1 double crochet in this 1 double crochet, and the third one double crochet, and in this last stitch here I will make 1 double crochet. Here we finish row number 6. Row number 7, I will start with 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, then turn my work, and I will repeat row number 1 exactly. Here in this last double crochet I will make 1 single crochet, then 2 chain. In this single crochet I will make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, single crochet in this first double crochet, 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here single crochet in the last double crochet. And what we will do, I will repeat from row number 1 to row number 6 again. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then repeat it again to get the size that you want. Here after I finishing a lot of rows, as you see it's so beautiful and very nice. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget like and comment and share this video, and goodbye, and see you in the another video.